Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm giving you guys a walkthrough of a Windows 11 installation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you saw when the video began, we were already booting into the CD. So hopefully you guys would have already gotten to this point on your own, and we're just going to be walking through some of the setup features. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So you can see the first page we're on is Windows Setup. This is very classic to earlier. This looks very similar to earlier versions of Windows as well. Just select the correct language, time and currency, as well as keyboard or input method, and then you would select Next. Then you would select Install Now. If you have a product key, you would insert it at this point. Otherwise, you would select I don't have a product key. You want to accept the Microsoft license terms and then select Next. Now you would either be able to upgrade, which would install Windows and keep files, settings, and applications. So according to Microsoft, the files, settings, and applications are moved to Windows with this option. This option is only available when a supported version of Windows is already installed on the computer. The other option is custom, which is install Windows only. So the file settings and applications are moved to Windows with this option. If you want to make changes to partitions and drives, start the computer using the installation disk. We recommend backing up your files before you continue. Generally, I prefer doing a clean install. However, if you have to upgrade, you can select that, but keep in mind you might not actually be able to recover all your files. There's always a chance you're going to end up deleting them anyway, so just make sure you have a backup regardless of what option you choose. And then you're going to select what partition you want to install Windows on, and then you will select Next. So at this point, you're going to go ahead and select your correct country and then select yes. Select the correct keyboard layout, select yes again. I'm going to skip adding a second keyboard layout, but you can if you want to. So go ahead and name your PC whatever you want, and then select next. If you want to install a local account, I would highly suggest that you turn off your internet connection. So if you're using an Ethernet port, I'd recommend disconnecting it. Or if you have an adapter, network adapter, I recommend just maybe turning it off during this point in the video, because we do not want to create a Microsoft account if you just want to do a local account. If you're okay with signing in with your Microsoft email, then disregard what I just said. But if you want to create a local account, I recommend turning off your internet connection. So again, we're going to go enter in our name here and select next. Enter in a password if you want. You can leave it blank if you'd rather not. You probably do want to have a password on there, and then you can choose privacy settings here. So I usually unselect most of these just as a personal preference. You can keep them enabled if you want, and then you're going to select accept. Okay, so there we go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.